Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting an SQL Server Management Studio with an account that can create databases. Once connected, immediately choose whether to use the new database dialog or run Create Database MyDB with a full file clause. In either path, name the database and set logical file names and physical paths so SQL Server knows where to place data and log files. Make sure initial sizes and auto-growth settings match expected workload to prevent frequent auto-expansion. Once basic creation is set, drill into file and database options to control growth and behavior. Set data and log file growth to sensible MB values rather than % for predictability. Cap max size to avoid disk exhaustion. Choose an appropriate recovery model, full for point-in-time recovery, simple to reduce log management, and set collation when you need language-specific sorting. If you expect large objects or heavy tables, create file groups and place those files on separate disks to improve I/O performance. After the database exists, add security and validation steps before using it in production. Create or map logins to database users, assign roles like DB owner only when necessary, and enforce least privilege. Immediately take a full backup to secure the initial state, then test connectivity and run basic select and insert queries to validate functionality. If something goes wrong, make sure to check the SQL Server error log. Confirm you have proper permissions, verify available disk space, and ensure file path names are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.